Good morning, student. This is the class 9 subject social science, and today our topic is India size and location, and this is the chapter first of geography, and this is the lecture fourth. And in last three lecture we have learnt about India size and location, and India is situated in northern hemisphere, and it is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, and but its exact location can be described with the help of degree of longitude and latitude, and its mainland latitude and extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 north, and its longitudinal extent is between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east, and its total area is 3.28 million square kilometer, and it's cover 2.4% of the world area. Okay students, now we shall start our lecture, and today we will cover some topic. First topic is India's neighboring countries, second India's state and capital, and last we solve some question. That question has been given in last lecture. First, India's neighboring countries, 7. Students, you know about we have 7 neighboring countries, and this is the north side, and this south, this is east, and this is west. Okay, and if we go northwest side, this side is called northwest side, and we have two neighboring countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And north side we have 3 neighboring countries, China, here is Nepal, and here is Bhutan. And east side we have 2 neighboring countries, Myanmar and Bangladesh. So students, we have 7 neighboring countries, and we have connect with those countries. And next, first we connect with Pakistan. Some state connect with Pakistan, such as Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat connect with Pakistan country, and China connect with Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh connect with. Okay, next Myanmar. Here is Myanmar and is connect with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. And Bangladesh connect with West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay students, so students, we have 7 neighboring countries, and some states connect with our neighboring countries. And next student, this is the map of India, and now we have now at current we have 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay students, and students, you know Jammu Kashmir capital is in summer is Srinagar, in winter in Jammu. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Punjab and Haryana Chandigarh capital, and Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Okay, and Rajasthan Jaipur, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Maharashtra Mumbai, Goa Panji, Karnataka Bengaluru, and Kerala Trivandrum. Okay, and Sikkim Gangottak, and Assam Dispur, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Nagaland Kohima, Manipur Imphal, Mizoram as well, Tripura Agartala, West Bengal Kolkata. Okay, Bihar Patna, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, Chhattisgarh Raipur, Odisha Bhubaneswar, and Telangana Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh Amravati, and okay, and Chennai, Tamil Nadu is capital is Chennai, and we have 9 union territories. And now firstly we see union territories. First, Andaman and Nicobar capital is Port Blair. Next, Lakshadweep capital is Kavati. Third, Daman and Diu capital is Daman. Ladakh, Leh, Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli capital is Silvassa. Pondicherry is Pondicherry. National capital region capital is New Delhi, and Jammu and Kashmir. In summer its capital is Srinagar, and in winter its capital is Jammu. So students, We have 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, students, and this is the map of India. And students, you know, here is our neighboring country Pakistan, Afghanistan. Here is China, Nepal, and Bhutan, and here is Myanmar and Bangladesh. And students, we have 9 continents. First is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, here is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, and here is Daman and Diu, and here is Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, okay, Puducherry, and here is Chandigarh, here is Delhi, is the Union Territory of India. And India is a peninsula country. India is a peninsula country because peninsula is landmass surrounded by sea of all 3 sides, and India in its side have, okay, it have Andaman and Nicobar Island, and its west side is Lakshadweep Island, and in south it's in Indian Ocean, okay, and 2 water bodies of its side is Bay of Bengal, and its west side is Arabian Sea, students. And next is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka and Maldives are our 2 southern neighboring island countries. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Here is Sri Lanka, okay, and Sri Lanka is separated from India. It is separate from India and by a narrow channel, and its narrow channels are formed by sea, and its narrow channel is called Park Strait. Park Strait, spelling PALK, Park Strait, STRAIT, and strait means a narrow channel of water body linking 2 large water bodies, okay, and what Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, okay, means Sri Lanka is separated from India by Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar. And Maldives also situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. Here is Maldives situated, okay, students. And next, 2 island countries are southern neighbors. First is Maldives, second is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, and Maldives are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Island, okay. And next, 2 type of state. This is a general question of history, and before the 1947 there were 2 types of states in India. First, the provinces, second, princely state. First, provinces means ruled directly by British official who were appointed by Viceroy, means Viceroy appointed the British official, and British official make the rule for the country, okay. But in princely state, ruled by local kings and rules by local king and hereditary rules, and this is also called hereditary, is called monarchy system, okay, in princely, and they make the rule for their country, okay, students. And next, we solve some question. First question, choose the correct answer. First, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Answer is Odisha. Second, the easternmost longitude of India is 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay. Next question is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim have common frontier with China, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar. Answer is Nepal. Okay. If you intend to visit Kavati during your summer vacation, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Answer is Lakshadweep, because Kavati is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. Next, my friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identified it. You know, we have 7 neighboring countries: Bhutan, Nepal, and Bangladesh is our neighboring country, but Tajikistan is our not a neighbor country. So answer is Tajikistan. Next, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Answer is Lakshadweep Island. Question number 2. Name the countries which are larger than India. You know, India is the 7th largest country in the world. First is Russia, second Canada, third USA, 4th China, 5th Brazil, 6th Australia, and 7th number is India. Next, which island group of India lies to its southeast? Answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar island group of India lies to its southeast direction. Which island countries are our southern neighbor? Answer is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay, students. Next question is, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Answer is the Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. You know, India is located in Asia continent, and it has a central location between East and West Asia. Second, India is centrally located in the world map. It is surrounded by 3 water bodies. First, namely Indian Ocean in south, Bay of Bengal in east, and Arabian Sea at west. Next, the Trans-Indian Ocean routes connect the countries of Europe in the west and the country in the East Asia. You know about the Trans-Indian Ocean routes connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries in the East Asia, and it has close connection with another countries. And next, the natural harbor and the vast coastline have benefit India is in the process of trade and commerce with the different countries. You know, India has a long coastline such as 7,516.6 kilometer, and with the help of such a long coastline, they have close connection with another country, and they exchange of goods and ideas with the help of sea route, and they exchange of goods and they trade with another countries. Next, India is connected with Europe, North America and South America through both the routes, the Cape of Good Hope and the Suez Canal. You know, Suez Canal, it is made in 1869, and it is reduced distance from Europe to India. It's reduced by 7,100 kilometers. Okay. So students, today your homework is revise chapter 1 of geography and do map work. Thank you.